I also teach classes in their platform. They have
Agora we meet this one today. So back in here.
I'm going to use the big ass brush.
Call that a big ass brush? Oh my god. The only brush.
Self-conscious now. Alright, so what do we do here in terms of color? Let's leave the characters for afterwards, for last. What do you see here? What's the brightest thing that you see in this scene?
The lights, the lamps.
The lamps? Where else? In the sky, the skylights there. Alright, so that's what we keep white. That's going to be the white part of our sketch. So, a mixture that I often use in watercolor, it's a classical mixture, classical watercolorist mixture. Cobalt blue, or ultramarine, for a darker tone, and burnt sienna. This mixture is, I'm going to demonstrate right here. When I use this is pure burnt sienna, pure saturated burnt sienna, and this is pure cobalt blue. Right? Opposite colors, kind of opposite colors. When they mix together, magic happens. Unicorns arise. The rainbow comes in. No, opposite to the rainbow. You get this nice, dark, neutral tone, right? That is absolutely fantastic for backgrounds. I mean, it's like you either get more warm kind of gray if you push a little bit more to the side of burnt sienna, or you get a cooler gray if you push it to the side of the cobalt blue. So you get like pure burnt sienna, pure cobalt blue, neutral, medium green, gray, warm gray, cold gray. So you get a lot of colors from this. All of them very neutral, all of them great for backgrounds. Sorry, Elizabeth? Elizabeth Clinton. Yep.
Stephanie Bowers.
Yep. It's all the rage between watercolor colors. Alright, let's use this tone to first detect where the shape is, the light shape is. That's the skylight there. And then we paint around it. You can just ignore, no, you shouldn't ignore. So you outline them, and you go at it full force. Everything gets painted. And we can see with this mixture, sometimes you get like nodes of warmer gray. Sometimes you get a little bit cooler gray. I'm using mostly cool gray here. So the recipe is more tilting towards the cobalt blue. But when you get like these tiny nodes of warmish gray, you get some kind of variation in the tone. And suddenly the eye gets attracted to that. So it becomes a little bit more visually interesting. So don't bother about using like absolute pure colors in these backgrounds, because like keeping the brush wet and dirty with colors usually works for you.
Why do you wait to paint the main characters?
Sorry?
Why do you wait until the end to paint the main characters?
That's the plot twist. The plot twist. No, because like background colors are like just big washes. So I try to take care of the big washes first. Big washes and shaded parts. For instance, this part is kind of shaded over there. This inside of the kiosk is also kind of shaded. So big shades first, and then we'll get to people. Maybe these people, they're in the background, right? So they don't matter that much. So just block them out with a little bit of a warmer gray. You can tell them apart from the background because they're warm gray instead of cool gray, but there's a slight difference there already. There's something going on there already. So let's call them the gray people. The gray people, the grays. are the grays. These are also grays over here. So grays, and you can see like I'm not very detailed about like painting inside the lines.